Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install and set up Java on your Windows operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for Oracle Java. And the first link which will appear here will be from oracle.com/Java. So we are going to click on this link and here we are going to accept all and then click on this download Java button, which is going to redirect us to this downloads page. At the time of making this video, Java 25 is the latest version, so we are going to install the Java 25 version. Now, when you scroll down a little, you can select the operating system. So we are going to select Windows here, and then you have three options. Generally, I go with the installer option or the MSI option. Both are fine and similar in terms of installation. But for now, I'm going to choose this .exe, which is the installer option, right? So click on the link in front of 64 installer and which have the .exe extension. So I'm going to click on this link, which is going to start the download of this JDK 25 Windows x64 bin.exe file. And once this executable file is downloaded, I'm going to just click on this executable file and let me minimize this browser. And you can see the installation of Java JDK has been started. So at this point, click on next. And this will be the location where Java will be installed on your Windows operating system. So the path is C/program files, and then there will be a Java folder which will be created here, and then JDK 25 because we are installing the 25 version of JDK, right? So if you don't have the good reason to change this location, just leave it as default and then click on next here, which is going to just start the installation process. And in few seconds, the installation will be finished. So you can see at the top that the Java development installation is successfully installed, right? So we can close this window for now. And now to check whether Java is working on our Windows operating system, we can open the command prompt. So just search for CMD on your search bar and then open the command prompt here. And then here we can write Java space hyphen hyphen version and then press enter, and it's going to give me the version of Java which we have installed. So we have installed the Java 25.0.1 version and it's shown here. So this is working fine, but some application also requires Java Home to be set on our Windows operating system to recognize where Java is located on our Windows operating system. So let's set the Java home environment variable. So for that, we need to understand where Java is located. So let's open the folder explorer, and we already saw the location of Java. So let's navigate to that folder. So in our C directory, we are going to go to the program files where Java folder will be created. So you can see this Java folder is there, and then just JDK folder is also here. So we need to copy this path up to the JDK 25 or the JDK version you have. It can be different depending on the version you have installed for JDK. So in my case, it's JDK 25. So you need to go inside the Java and then the JDK version and then copy this full path. And then we just need to search for environment variable in the search bar. So search for environment variables, and then you can see this result which says added the system environment variables. So click on this link, and then here we need to click on the environment variables option, and under user variables for this user we can add a new environment variable. So I'm going to click on the new option here. So the variable name will be Java home here, so Java underscore home, all in capital, and the value will be the path which we have copied, which is this one, right? Once that's done, click on OK, and then click on OK, and then once again you can click on OK here. Once that's done, we can close the command prompt which we have opened recently. So I'm going to just close this command prompt, and you need to restart the command prompt once again. So just search for CMD once again and restart the command prompt. And here, when you write echo and then percentage Java underscore home percentage, and then press enter, it's going to give you that path, right? So now the Java home environment variable is also set. Now let's create a very simple Java program, and then let's try to compile it using the Java command. So for that, you can go to your folder explorer and go to the location where you want to create your project. So let's say I want to create a project in my documents folder. I will create a new folder here, and I'm going to name my folder as Java apps, and then press enter, and this folder is created. And now inside this folder, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new Java file. And in order to create a new file, I'm going to right click and then select new and then select text document. And you can see this document has .txt extension. In your case, you might not see the extension in some cases. So if you don't see this .txt extension, you just need to click on this view option and then just hover over show and then select this option which says file name extension. So this checkbox should be present in front of your file name extension option, and then you will see the extension here, right? So let's change the name of this file as, let's say, hello dot, instead of txt we are going to name it as Java, and then press enter, and it's going to give this kind of warning. Click on yes, and our Java file is created. Now let's open this file. So I'm going to right click and then I'm going to just choose open with notepad, and then click on always. And now this hello.java file is open. So here we just need to paste a very simple hello world Java. You can find this program anywhere on internet, right? The important thing to note here is this class name, which is hello, and the file name is also hello. So both class name and file name should match ideally. And you might also observe that it's also case sensitive. So if H is capital in hello, the file name H is also capital, right? So once you have pasted this hello world code, just save this file by pressing Control S, and then we are going to run this file. So let's run this file which contains the hello world Java program. So to run this file, I'm going to just copy the path of this folder where my hello.java is present. And then I'm going to go to my command prompt and then write cd and then paste my path, which I have copied, and then press enter. So now I'm in that folder, right? And here I need to just write Java C command. It's not Java command, but the Java C command. So Java C command we can use to compile the Java program. And then you just need to give the name of your Java file, which is hello.java, and then press enter. And once you press enter, it'll compile your Java program, and it's going to produce this hello.class if the compilation is successful. So this is the executable file which we can run, and it's going to print the output of this compilation, right? So to run this file, we use the Java command, not Java C, but Java. And then we just need to use the file name and not the extension. So just write hello without dot class, right? So just write Java hello, and you don't need to add the dot class extension, and then press enter, and it's going to print the output of that file, which is hello world in our case. So this is how you can install Java and create a very simple Java project and run it via the command prompt. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.